Marine litter, eutrophication, ocean acidification, contaminants. They spread beyond our borders. To protect the marine environment and human health, we must work together, sharing knowledge and data on seawater quality. EMODnet Chemistry, a value for marine strategies.
In 10 years' time, EMODnet Chemistry has become the marine chemistry data broker in Europe. Nowadays, we can provide access to the collected data of almost 500 organizations from 46 countries surrounding the European seas. And more organizations are coming.
That's over 1 million chemistry datasets starting from the 1970s until now. These datasets have been stored, documented and validated in the databases of 65 interconnected national oceanographic data centers. They are all nodes in SeaDataNet, the marine data management infrastructure that provides the first toolkit to unify data. Regional networks in EMODnet Chemistry then further validate and process these datasets into high-quality harmonized data collections. Marine experts can access this treasure box to make further analysis fit for their purposes.
Matteo is an expert on marine litter data management at the National Institute for Oceanography and Applied Geophysics. With EMODnet Chemistry, Matteo can easily access data collections available over the European seas. In a few steps, he can have an overview on the abundance of plastic bags along the beaches in 2013, 14, 15 and 16. By clicking on the maps, the specifics of these data collections appear. Litter is a major societal problem where all citizens can act together. We need to know where our waste ends up and why.
The authoritative marine litter database of EMODnet Chemistry supports the establishment of the European baselines and threshold values for the marine strategy. This work is done in cooperation with the EU Joint Research Centre and its technical group on marine litter.
Serge is expert in oceanology and water quality analysis at the Royal Belgian Institute of Natural Sciences. Red tides, sea foam along beaches, harmful algae blooms. It's even visible from space. Ocean eutrophication is a process driven by the enrichment of water by nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. It leads to increased growth of algae, loss of biodiversity, oxygen deficiency on bottom waters, and ecosystem degradation. To study and monitor the problem, Serge needs access to reliable data collections and maps. He uses the map viewer to see the evolution of eutrophication. This can be done over years and over seasons. With the WebODV Data Explorer tool, he can analyze the data and look deeper in the water. Here he shows chlorophyll concentration as an indicator of nutrients availability. Graphics and snapshots can be downloaded and used in scientific papers.
The EMODnet Chemistry Treasure Box allows experts to produce new insight on the functioning of the ecosystem.
Bavo is an expert on marine contaminants at the Flanders Research Institute for Agriculture, Fisheries and Food. Contaminants like heavy metals, pesticides, hydrocarbons and others are polluting our seas and oceans. The WebODV Data Extractor is the tool that Bavo can use to download subsets of harmonized data collections of contaminants. Here he wants to look at the level of PCBs in the Atlantic. He can zoom into the map and select time ranges. The parameter Tree View allows a finely granulated selection of contaminant variables, and data availability is shown immediately on the map. Additionally, data can be visualized as scatter plots or time series plots. Now it's only one more step and he can download the data in different formats.
Member states need this data to foresee environmental risks due to unexpected high concentrations of the contaminants and formulate adequate preventive measures. EMODnet Chemistry collaborates internationally with other programs. Copernicus Marine Service is part of the European Programme for Earth Observation. Both organizations work together to release a joint portfolio of products. By sharing data with EMODnet, you are also contributing to the science we need for the ocean we want for the United Nations Ocean Decade.
EMODnet Chemistry, your gateway to data and knowledge on marine water quality in Europe. Visit emodnetchemistry.eu and watch the dedicated video tutorial.